Welcome to Dollar Tree.
This is the spot you want to come. I promise this is going to change your life, okay? Down here, they have 6 pieces of these mini champagne flutes. We're going to put together some incredible charcuterie that we're now calling charfluterie. I can't wait to show you how it looks. All you have to do is run to the candle section. I've got a quick hack. Come here.
Every single hack in this video will save you time, and I bet you haven't seen it before. These first tricks are for our giant cheese and charcuterie board using all Dollar Tree products. I took some hot glue and a Dollar Tree candlestick. I glued on the scalloped container, and then I took some items I already had on hand. Now, some of the items from this video are from Aldi because they're even cheaper there. It's my favorite grocery store. I got these cranberries, and then I took some old thyme sprigs that I just had left over from Thanksgiving. I added some donut holes to the top. This is such a beautiful display and a huge wow on a cheese board because it gives it a little height. Plus, it's the easiest dessert you can put together in under 5 minutes. And when it comes to supreme taste and awesome cheese, I've got some awesome tricks coming up. But first, I want to share with you a favorite recipe that my friend Julie shared with me. We were putting together a Ladies' Day cheese board, and I picked up some ricotta from Aldi for $2.19. This is such a great deal, and you can season this with Dollar Tree items. But she said the real trick is to add some sea salt and also 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Blend together, and this is all about the toppings and a Dollar Tree presentation. Add your ricotta mix to the inside of your flutes, top with pistachios, lemon zest, and the secret, honey and olive oil.
All right, this is the secret in the dollar stores. I want you to look for Bagel chips. This is a name brand and they're awesome. And I have found the pretzels to be incredible. Lots are name brands, and at $1.25, you can't beat this price. There's so many uses for these for holiday appetizers.
The Car and Monet crackers from Dollar Tree are awesome, and this makes super grabbable bites that's really easy for people to grab and go. This would be great for New Year's, for Christmas time, and Dollar Tree has these silver plastic forks. I love adding these to the cheese board. Oh my goodness, it makes it so easy to set out. I can't wait to show you what else we put on it.
You may not know the dollar stores carry nuts, and they're in smaller quantities, but it's a great deal. This is a cashew almond blend. This is about a half a cup, which is exactly what I need for my recipe.
Dollar Tree is great for cheese. We're gonna get to that in a minute, but they also have thyme and rosemary at Aldi, and I never buy the cubed cheese. What I like to do is get a big block of cheese. It's just as easy to cut down, and you save a lot. This really only takes an extra minute or 2 because time is of the essence, right? And I wanna give you some tricks for getting yourself ready for holiday parties.
I cannot wait to share with you what we're putting together today.
My favorite trick so you feel ready for those holiday parties is thrifting your look affordably from the world's largest online thrift store, ThredUp. I'm seriously so excited to share with you these deals. My goal this holiday was comfy sweaters and cute dresses, and this Tauve top retails for $153, but on ThredUp, I got it for just $35. I am actually obsessed with the sleeves. I found everything on ThredUp's holiday shop. They make searching so easy. You can filter by your sizes. You can even use AI features to find specific looks by uploading a photo, and you can see similar items they have available on ThredUp. I adore this site. Over 90% of my wardrobe was thrifted from ThredUp. I got this H&M sweater off ThredUp for less than $20. I got so many compliments on this over Thanksgiving. I can wear this to any holiday event. It's also perfect for cozy weather. It is so soft. It retails for over $40. And I love the off the shoulder bit, so cute. And as you can see, I'm all about the mixing and matching. So what I like to do is get a really nice neutral, like this Zara coat. And then I paired it with a bunch of like red and burgundy items. So everything goes together. No matter what event I'm going to, I can dress it up, I can dress it down. You want to see this one on, don't you? But here's my favorite look of the bunch. It really says slay. This is a $385 Free People dress. These shoes are $360 estimated retail shoes. Did I pay that? No. I got this dress for less than $80, these shoes for about $38. This jacket was just $30, and this little purse was $20. I love the burgundy. This is like my mix and match go-to. Let me show you without the jacket. The quality on this thing is unreal. It is so beautiful and so sparkly in person. And it's just really great for Christmas in the fall and for New Year's too. I love the back on this as well. It's got like a pretty cut. This dress was worth every thrifted penny, but if you want to shop even cheaper, use my code right here for an additional 45% off your first order. They rarely do this. This is a super good deal in addition to the savings you're already getting. And I love that their site and app, they just keep making it easier and easier to find the perfect thing for you. Absolutely check it out.
Sometimes I feel like getting myself ready is like the last thing on the list, but it really doesn't have to be. And keeping this stuff super simple, like I don't actually feel stressed out. Like I'm excited to have people over. So I took some of those nuts as well as some prosciutto I got from Aldi, some fresh berries also from Aldi, and put them on these little skewers right inside of the Dollar Tree flutes. How stinking cute is this? And they were so fast to put together. And I think my favorite hack of the video, y'all, are these red boxes. When you see them at Dollar Tree, run, okay? They're create a gift boxes. They have homemade jams this year. I really like the Mrs. Miller's jam, and I combine this with some goat brie cheese I got from Aldi. I'm actually not the biggest fan of brie cheese, but this goat brie is so fantastic. And add some of this hot jam to the top. That wheel cost $4.69, but it is so elevated, y'all, especially presented like this in little bites. It's great on a cheese board. Another elevated trick that Julie shared with me, I always have this when I go over to her house, and it's so good and it's so easy. Take some bread. Here I'm just using sourdough I pulled from the pantry, and put olive oil and garlic on top. And then you want to toast it. And all you have to do is grate up a tomato that you already have, and you can add just a bit of olive oil and sea salt to the top. Mix this up and you have a delicious pan con tomate. Julie and I both lived in Spain for a time, so I love that we share a love of this one. Add some manchego cheese to the top. It's delicious. I've got Dollar Tree tricks coming up, but first, here's how the board turned out.
Oh my gosh, look at this board. Not only was this so easy to put together, every appetizer was less than $5. And nobody is afraid to take that first bite because everything is so deliciously grabbable.
This would have cost hundreds of dollars if we had it professionally catered. We did it for just $45. And here's the super cool part. I wanted to point out these Dollar Tree burlap sacks. This is new at my store this year. This makes such a great party favor or a hostess gift if you're going somewhere. I've got lots of hacks and tricks left in this video that are going to save you a lot. The dollar store Starbucks tumbler dupes are back, so cute with all the sparkles. And this past week, I was sharing on Good Morning America some really easy Dollar Tree ideas to host this holiday. And what's so cool about this segment is not only is it such an honor to do this, I get to do this stuff all because of you guys. I had a challenge to do this 100% from Dollar Tree.
I absolutely love these little tumblers too. I think it would be a really cool party favor for people to go home with. They're double insulated and they're perfect for travel. I love it. Okay, this is a brand new product too. They have these dark chocolate cocoa mixes. They look like little gifts like you would get from a coffee shop. You could really combine this with anything. How cute.
Great hostess gift ideas, great teacher gift ideas. So I want to share with you 3 appetizers that are 100% from Dollar Tree. Are you ready?
The first place you want to come is the spice section. You can save so much. All of these are just $1.25. I'm going to grab some garlic powder. They also have salt here. This is wonderful kosher salt. By buying my spices here, I'm gonna save $3 to $4 a container. So I'm also gonna grab some Worcestershire sauce here. This is just $1.25. And look at your dollar stores for small bottles of olive oil. This is a great way to save a lot, especially with holiday baking. I'm getting really excited. The dollar store also sells lots of noodles with ingredients that match tons of the name brands. I've got an air fryer hack with these. I just need to find some pasta sauce and it's right here. And look at this. This is a name brand can, only $1.25. This is gonna make an amazing treat. I'm gonna save about 70% by getting my cream cheese from the fridge section at the dollar store. And for just $1.25, I'm going to get some cheddar cheese for my cheese ball. These are $3 to $4 at my grocery store, so we're saving a lot. And I'm gonna grab 1 container of whipped topping for a really cool hack for our hot cocoa bar. Okay, this is adorable. They have pralines here. I absolutely love these. These are great on dessert bars, but also with your hot cocoa. They have old-fashioned ginger snap cookies. These are awesome.
All these recipes are 100% from Dollar Tree.
I'm home from the dollar store and starting off making our cheese ball dip. This is less than $7 in total ingredients. I've got my cream cheese softening here in the bowl, half a cup of Worcestershire sauce. Add this to the bowl. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I had some green onions on hand, so why not? I'm gonna go ahead and add these as well. And then the most important ingredient, 1 cup of cheese, which I saved so much on by shopping at the dollar store. I'm just gonna keep mixing this together.
When it comes to dollar store cheese, you want their cream cheese and you want to make sure that the shredded cheese has the label signifying that it will melt. This is the best quality.
This is so fast and easy. I've got everything mixed up and I'm just going to add this to some saran wrap and refrigerate for a couple of hours just so it gets nice and hard. Excellent holiday appetizer. And I can work on the next hot one. Up next is a super unique pasta chip dish. This one is gonna wow, and by shopping at the dollar store, this is just $4.25 total in ingredient cost. So I've got my pasta here, and this is all cooked up and cooled, and I'm going to take a half a cup of Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle that over the top. I've got about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I've got a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and then about a half teaspoon of kosher salt right in there. About a teaspoon and a half of oil. And you can give or take this depending on how much pasta you have. We're gonna make this nice and crispy by popping it in a single layer in our air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes.
These come out nice and crispy. I like to do them in small batches, and then you can take that pasta sauce or marinara sauce to dip these in.
So I just got our cheese dip out of the fridge, and I'm just gonna very carefully turn this over onto our plate. Then I'm gonna take my pretzels and add this to the plate. This appetizer is huge. It costs less than $8, and I still have tons more pretzels when people get hungry.
But does the Dollar Tree cheese taste good? We did the official taste test with my whole family too and absolutely loved this one. But I think my favorite hack of the video is one we bring back every year. Dollar Tree sells Cool Whip. All you have to do is grab some cookie cutters you already have in fun Christmas shapes. Put this on the inside. This is such a great activity to do with kids too. And then raid your pantry for some fun sprinkles. I like to use some in festive colors, and then you just freeze these for an hour or two, pop them out, and you can stick on top of your mugs and they'll melt with your hot cocoa. It's so delicious.
Bonus dessert for just an extra $1.25. So I'm gonna take the rest of my whipped topping. Then I'm gonna take half this container of marshmallow cream, and we're just gonna stick this right in with it. Then I'm gonna take an extra hot cocoa mix, and I'm gonna pour this bag right on top. We just gotta chocolify this a little bit. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. How is this like almost the favorite thing that I just made? It looks so good. Okay, I don't know who wouldn't want to dive into this.
The Dollar Tree Fudge Mint cookies are a Girl Scout cookie dupe. Under $15 for all 3 of these appetizers. I would love to hear your favorite in the comments below, or let me know which you plan to try. And definitely don't forget to check out ThredUp and use my code DIME at checkout for 45% off your first order.
Everything was done on a budget. I am sending you so much love from my kitchen to yours. If nobody has told you today, my friend, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.